Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're going to have a great debate about Sharkbite. I do want to say my channel is an opinion-based channel, and every conversation is welcome and every opinion is welcome. Just don't come at me too hard because this is just my opinion, my experiences working as a maintenance man. So as a maintenance man, I don't do plumbing every day. I'm not a plumber. A Swiss Army knife. Anyways, there's certain circumstances where shark bites really do come in handy. I think my top favorite is just the stoppers when I'm doing remodeling in kitchens and stuff, just to cap off any pipes while you're setting cabinets or whatever. These are an easy route to go. You know, you shut the water down, pop these on, make sure they seat up to this line, and you're good to go. Another good investment is to get one of these. Makes it super easy to pop them off. You can also always just use a pair of these, kind of get on the pipe. You're just pushing down on this plastic. You're pushing down this plastic ring here to release it. So these stoppers work great. Now, one thing people don't know, if you're going onto PEX piping with a Sharkbite, you leave this plastic ring in the PEX, 1/2 inch, 3/4, whatever. This will go inside the PEX, it'll slide over it. If you're putting Sharkbite onto copper, clean up the copper really good. And these plastic rings, you want to pull these out if you're going onto copper. That one just broke. But there you go. You pull it out, grab a pair of needle nose, and that's how it's supposed to seat onto copper. Another nice one is their slip joint one. This is really good if you have a pipe that splits open, you know, and you just need a temporary fix. You could slide this on, boom, good to go. It gives you enough wiggle room to get around. And I've had great luck with these. And then it shows you slip end and then the seat end, so you get play over here, and this one will seat. The isolation valve here, what I use these for is if I was doing a shower, new shower control. Now if I'm up on the third, second floor, the water usually drains out. When you go to the first floor, it could take forever in a huge building like that. So this is what I used a lot of the times on the first floor, because you turn the water off, boom, seat these on, shut it down, and then you could turn the building water back on. Not a big shutdown, you know, real quick and easy. And it's on the first floor, so if it does fail, it'll be draining down to the basement, and usually it ain't a big deal. But that gets me to the next point. I've been using shark bites a little bit here and there sporadically for the last 10 years, and I've never had one fail. I have seen them put on wrong and fail. Sometimes they will give you the illusion that they're on, and they might hold for a little bit, but then they'll start squirting water out, and it's usually because people don't put them down on the seats going to this line. And they do make a tool where you can mark the pipe, and I don't have that. I just kind of set this on the pipe and mark it with a Sharpie, so I know that where you go. Then the supply line Sharkbite, it's not bad at all. I mean, it's a 1/4 turn, which is great. Why do you like 1/4 turn? Because in that way, if you have an issue, you're not there spinning, hoping to gosh it turns off. It's just boop, off. I have seen, not shark bites, but I have seen 1/4 turns fail, but it's not too often. And I mean, for homeowners, DIYers, I think they're fantastic. There's a lot of people who say that they're not to code, and when you go to sell your home, they could become an issue, but I've never seen a home inspector ding you. Like in my old house, for my humidifier, I used a Sharkbite 1/4 inch to go into there, coming off the hot water side of the hot water tank, and you know, it was fine. It didn't get marked when I sold my house or anything like that. So I do use these more for emergency situations and or just the convenience. But my main go-to is soldering. If I was a plumber every day, I completely understand ProPress. And I've done work with PEX, but a lot of the buildings I work in don't have PEX. And you can do copper to PEX, but that's just not, I like to solder and, you know, fix it that way, how it is. And I can't debate whether PEX or copper is better because I've seen them both fail. But let me know your opinions down in the comment sections about Sharkbites and what you use them for and how you like them and your experiences with them. And as always, I appreciate you guys watching, and please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Later.